Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to open a handle to a device in Python on a Windows operating system. Windows provides an API for device communication, allowing you to read from and write to devices like serial ports, USB devices, and more. We'll focus on opening a handle to a serial port as an example. Before we get started, ensure you have the following prerequisites. Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your Windows system. You can download Python from the official website at https://www.python.org/downloads. Pyserial library. You will need the pyserial library to work with serial ports. Install it using pip. In this example, we'll open a handle to a serial port and print data received from the port. Make sure you have a serial device connected to your computer. In this script, remember to adjust the serial port name and baud rate to match your specific device's configuration. In this tutorial, you learned how to open a handle to a device, specifically a serial port, in Python on a Windows system. You can use a similar approach to work with other types of devices that require communication through the Windows API. Make sure to consult the device's documentation for specific configuration details and commands to interact with it. ChatGPT.